Can you really get rich from crypto in 2025? Bitcoin has already made some people millionaires, and Ethereum is evolving with huge potential. But what about the new projects? Could we see another huge bull run? In today's video, I'll show you how crypto can potentially make you rich, but also why it's not as simple as it sounds. Stick around. Crypto has completely changed the financial landscape. A few years ago, we saw Bitcoin skyrocket from a few dollars to over $60,000, creating an entirely new class of crypto millionaires. Ethereum followed, making early investors even more wealthy. But as we approach 2025, the question on everyone's mind is, can you still get rich from crypto? Whether you're a new investor looking to dive in or someone who's already holding, it's important to know how to approach crypto in 2025. In this video, we'll break down how the market has evolved and what the future holds. Let's start with the heavy hitters, Bitcoin and Ethereum. These two cryptocurrencies have been around for over a decade now, and they have proven themselves as strong, reliable assets for many investors. Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, has seen massive price increases over the years, and in 2025, it could be poised to break new all-time highs. With institutional adoption growing and more companies integrating Bitcoin into their financial systems, there's potential for it to become even more valuable. Ethereum, on the other hand, is evolving with Ethereum 2.0, which promises faster transactions and a more energy-efficient network. DeFi, decentralized finance, applications, and NFTs are built on Ethereum, which creates a vast ecosystem that could drive up its value. But what are the altcoins? Bitcoin and Ethereum are great, but they may not be where the big gains are in 2025. There's a lot of room for new projects, and in the world of crypto, early adopters can make a fortune. New projects can provide big opportunities, especially those that have real-world applications. We've seen the rise of coins like Solana, Polkadot, and Chainlink, and these altcoins are gaining traction as alternatives to Ethereum. For example, Solana's high-speed blockchain has been a game-changer for developers, while Polkadot's interoperability could create a whole new world of decentralized applications. In 2025, the key will be identifying the next big project early on. But how do you do that? There are several ways you can make money with crypto. Long-term investment. This is where Bitcoin and Ethereum shine. By holding these major cryptocurrencies for the long term, you could benefit from future price increases. Bitcoin, for instance, has historically gone up in value over the years, and this trend may continue if institutional adoption grows. Staking and yield farming. DeFi has opened up new ways to earn passive income from crypto. You can stake your coins on certain platforms and earn rewards for helping secure the network. This is a great way to make money without selling your crypto. Trading altcoins. If you're more hands-on, you can trade altcoins. This requires more skill and knowledge, but if you understand the market trends and know when to buy and sell, altcoins can offer huge returns. But remember, this is high risk and not for the faint-hearted. NFTs and metaverse investments. The metaverse is a hot topic, and NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are part of the digital ecosystem. As virtual worlds grow, NFTs will continue to play a significant role, which could lead to large profits for investors who get in early. While the potential to get rich with crypto is certainly real, it's not without its risks. Crypto is incredibly volatile. We've seen huge price swings in just a matter of hours, and it can be difficult to predict what will happen next. In addition, government regulations and central bank policies could impact crypto's future. We've seen governments around the world take a closer look at regulating crypto, and this could affect the market in unexpected ways. So while the potential for big gains is there, it's equally important to understand the risks involved. One of the most important lessons in crypto is patience. Just like traditional investing, crypto requires a long-term perspective. Warren Buffett once said, The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. This rings true for crypto, too. Building wealth with crypto isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about understanding the market, sticking to a strategy, and being patient. You can't make rash decisions based on market swings or FOMO. In 2025, the key will be having a long-term strategy and not getting caught up in the short-term hype. So, can you get rich from crypto in 2025? The answer is potentially yes, but it's not guaranteed. If you invest smartly, with patience and a clear strategy, you can see significant returns. However, you should also be prepared for the risks and volatility that come with the territory. Remember, crypto has massive potential, but it's important to approach it with caution, knowledge, and a well-thought-out plan. If you're in it for the long haul, 2025 could be a great year for crypto investments. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What are your predictions for crypto in 2025? Let us know.